Here we are in Lucas, Kansas, the Grassroots art capital of Kansas.
Very beautiful day.
This is fork art.
I believe Lucas is the folk art capital of Kansas. It's pretty impressive. Those different shapes. It looks like a question mark back over there. Very interesting. These old wagon wheels stacked up in a pyramid. Pretty windy out. Check out that trike. Big metal frog. Tongue. Looks like an arrow. This one's called Wheels of Heritage. What is this? Please, no climbing, no bicycles, skateboards, rollerblades on this roll of toilet paper. Thank you. It's a giant roll of toilet paper. How cool is that? Get a better shot of the giant roll of toilet paper here. There's this mural on the side of the wall here. Looks like someone praying. Beautifully done. So this is the giant toilet. It's a giant toilet. There's the lid. There's the bowl. Love it. The Bowl Plaza. Some really neat glass bottle sticking out there. This wall. Yeah. More bottles sticking out from it. We have some small plates. Arizona, San Francisco, Missouri, Kansas, Utah, Arkansas, Oklahoma. Wow. Grassroots wall art. Sorry. Grassroots wall art of fame. Interesting. Hey, it's M.T. Liggett right there. There's S.P. Dinsmore, 1843 to 1932. All right. Let's go in and take a look. Check this out. So this is the men's room. this is. This is something. John Deere sign up there.
Takes a lot of imagination. Make something like this.
Oh, a lot of junk,
Look, flintlock pistol, fork, that old car. Wow. This is something. Oh wow, a train, donkey. This guy looks like he's falling because he's hanging from the side of the wall. Oh, some wine corks. Got a pipe embedded in there. Spoon. Go. Couple of robots. Monster trucks. Now check out this collection of toy cars. That's really neat. I love the bottles sticking out of the wall. This toy. It's like Ninja Turtle, so we got some action figures. There's a Spider-Man, which my son would love. That looks like Slimer from the Ghostbusters up there. But with like a superhero action body. Really interesting. This is really cool find. I'm not going very far in here. This is the ladies' room. That was the men's room. Here's the ladies' room. Again, these are just wide open so you can look. These faces, that face sticking out from the wall. Kind of creepy. Kind of really creepy, actually. Beautiful tile work, though. All right. So it's here at the Bowl Plaza. Here we are in front of the world's collection of the world's smallest versions of the world's largest things. Like Babe, Blue Ox, and Paul Bunyan. Roadside Show Expo. All right. Wow, look at this place. There's a fun mirror. Giant pencil. Paul Twain. Palisade meter here, right? Article. Weekly World. Kansas Cowston's World. Hairball weighs 55 pounds, is bigger than a basketball. There's a ball twine. This is so cool. It's neat.
Yeah.
Food stuff. I think it was food stuff. Okay. Jap pistachio. Randy's Donuts. Big teapot. There's the world's largest pickled egg. Weighs over 5 pounds. Equivalent of 2 dozen chickens. The myriad chicken.
Cadillacs in the ground is in Oklahoma, right?
Texas.
Small version of
Cadillac Ranch.
different nuts from around the country. Giant bottle of miniature of a giant bottle of ketchup.
These are suitcases they're cleaning.
Here's the miniature version of Superman from Metropolis and a miniature Blue Whale from Catoosa. A miniature Rocket Man from Route 66. Cool paintings. Oh, here's some t-shirts. Randy's Donuts. I've seen that whole front. There's Big Brutus. Miniature version of it. We went and saw that last summer, I believe it was. That's a neat suitcase. Some miniature version of the world's largest loon from Mercer, Wisconsin. Miniature shell station from Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Miniature Bob's Java Jive coffee pot from Tacoma, Washington. King Kong, Beaver, Arkansas. Oh, I was saying that before. I'm gonna go by there and show you guys that. It's the world's largest 8-ball in Tipton, Missouri. It's just outside of Sedalia. World's largest ball of videotape. I've not seen that one. Gotta go find that. suitcases are so neat. That startled me. That really, really startled me. I was not expecting that. Mona Lisa with a mustache. California crazy. Big Tex the cowboy. There's the carbonized dinosaur from Pee-wee's Big Adventure, a miniature version of it. Lots of places to go visit and see. Ooh. Giant dragon head. It's like a Godzilla. Oh, it's a dinosaur. From the dinosaurs made by Messmore and Damon, New York City firm specializing in windows displays. Wow. That is creepy.